Welcome students, welcome to this 19th lecture of CNC milling machines and CNC programming. So this lecture we are going to see about horizontal machining center. Let's see the contents of this lecture. So we are going to see about the horizontal milling machine, the principal parts of horizontal machine center and the difference between horizontal and vertical milling machine. Horizontal milling machine. A horizontal mill has the same sort, but the cutters are mounted on the horizontal spindle. You can see arbor milling across the table. So the main difference between the horizontal milling machine and vertical milling machine is the spindle mounting. So the spindle is mounted vertical axis towards the column in the vertical milling machine. But in horizontal milling machine, the spindle is mounted horizontally. So many horizontal mills also featured a built-in rotary table that allows milling at various angles. So this feature is called a universal table. So universal table means you can rotate at any angle or any direction, any axis. Okay. So this may horizontal milling machines, it is a very long milling machines. So it having a built-in feature like a rotary table. You can see this is the schematic layout of the horizontal milling machine. Okay, so you can see this is the base as same to the vertical milling machine. You know the column, this is the uh, elevating screw for raising the knee up and down. Next comes to the knee, and next comes to the saddle, and above the saddle is the table, and in the table is we are going to have the workpiece. This is all the others except the spindle is similar to the vertical milling machine. But when it comes to the spindle, here we are having a arbor. Okay, this arbor, we are a arbor which is connected to the spindle. So this is the tool where this is horizontal, where it is mounted horizontal and towards the workpiece or towards the table. So this is how the horizontal milling machine is designed. You can see the actual conventional horizontal milling machine. So you can see how the spindle is located here. Okay, so it is located horizontally towards the workpiece. You can see the animation of the horizontal milling machine, how it's working. So this is the tool, it's rotating horizontally towards the workpiece. So this is the side view and this is the front view. You can see here. Now comes to the principal parts of horizontal machining center. So now we are in the CNC horizontal milling machine, computer numerical control horizontal milling machine center. So horizontal machining center means everything will be in automatic control. We are having a bed or base. So here is the bed or base. So it is a heavy cast iron structure which supports the complete machine. So the complete machine is over this base of the bed. So and it carries hardened gateways over its top surface. And this base having the hardened gateways which is used to carry the top surface. Next comes the saddle. Here is a saddle. So it is mounted over the gateways on the bed. This guided means it is using the elevated screw, and this is the gateways. It is this saddle is mounted over the gateways on the bed and carries the column over it. And carries the column over it means the side it carries the column. The saddle generally provides the y-axis movement on the machining center. It is same as the VMC, that is a vertical machining machine. The saddle is saddle movement is used towards the y direction movement. Next, the column. It is mounted over the saddle. Okay, you can see it is mounted over the saddle and provides x-axis or y-axis linear movement. Then comes the table. This table is made up of cast iron and mounted over the gateways machined on the saddle. See, these are the gateways. The above the saddle, you have the gateways. Above the gateways, this table is mounted, and this table is provided x-axis movement on the machining center, as it is same to the vertical machining center. Now the tool changer. So tool changer is an automatic device which is used to change the tool from the machine spindle. It automatically changes the machine spindle, automatically change the tool from the machine spindle, and it is placed close to the spindle to enable the tool change rapidly. Next comes the spindle. This spindle is mounted on the machining head and mounted on the column, and it provides a z-axis movement. Okay, so this spindle is mounted on the machine head. So this provides the z-axis movement in the horizontal machining center. Then comes the servo system. This servo system is one of the important system in the CNC, any type of CNC machines. So this system consists of servo motors and feedback system. So it enables accurate and rapid movement along X, Y, and Z axis. Okay, so this system consists of servo motors and feedback system. So it enables accurate and rapid movement along X, Y, and Z axis. The servo system controls all the movement of the saddle, table, and spindle movement. So X, Y, and Z directions. See, this is how the CNC horizontal machining center it's look like. When compared to the VMC, this HMC is very bigger in size. This and it is used for the a longer anything very lengthy machining process is there, that which we can do it in the horizontal machining center. Now let's come to the difference between horizontal and vertical milling machine. See, first thing, in vertical milling machine, the spindle axis is vertical in the vertical towards the workpiece. But in horizontal milling machine, the spindle axis is horizontal towards the workpiece. The VMC is comparatively more versatile, and hence it can generate more complex shape. The HMC is comparatively more rigid, and hence it is used for heavy workpiece. See, this VMC we can go for many complex shape, any small shape or any complex type of shapes or any normal shapes, we can go for VMC since it is a versatile and it can generate more complex shape. But HMC, you can see last slide, it is a very bigger in size when compared to VMC, and this is very rigid also, and this HMC is more used in more used for heavy workpiece. Vertical milling machine, it has a comparatively low metal removal capacity, but in HMC it provides heavy metal removal rate, so big cutting tools are used. In vertical milling machine, tool magazine can accommodate less number of cutting tools. Since it is the machine center is very small, but in horizontal milling machine, the tool magazine have higher capacity to accommodate the tools, so you can have a more number of tools. Vertical milling machine is comparatively less expensive when compared to the horizontal milling machine. Since horizontal milling machine is heavier in construction and it is rigid and it's a very bigger in size, so it's the cost is also increases according to the requirement. You can see the difference between the horizontal milling machine and the vertical milling machine. So this is horizontal type. See, the tool is here. It will tool is located. The spindle is located horizontal towards the table. So it will do the. So it will do. It is located horizontal towards the workpiece. You can see, and here in vertical milling machine the tool is kept vertical to the position, vertical to the workpiece, vertical to the axis of the workpiece, and it will do the vertical movement. You can see here what is the z-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Here z-axis, x-axis and y-axis. Now comes to the summary of the lecture. So in this lecture we saw about the horizontal milling machine, and we saw about the principal parts of horizontal machine center, and we saw about the difference between horizontal and vertical milling machine. And this is the reference for this lecture. Thank you students. Thank you for watching this lecture. We'll see you in the next class, next lecture.